Good morning, students. Today I have discussed about the decimal. Exercise 3A related with exercise 3A question I have solved. So today I am going to solve exercise 3B. And if you have any problem, please contact me. I am telling. Please ask. I will help you. So exercise 3B. In 3B, exercise 3B, what I am telling my dear students, in this chapter you will study addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as you have studied in mathematics. So in number system also, so same way you will study in this decimal fraction also. So first add the following, my dear student, first is there 6.789, 2.543 and 3.8. Please listen, my dear student, what I am telling, how can you solve? It is given horizontal method, so this method also you can use, but you have studied column method. It is clear? So column method of 6.789. Okay. After decimal 2, 1, 2, 3. How many decimal number is there? 3. 2 is whole number 2.543 and 3.8. See this one plus. After this both is like, but this is unlike. So you put 2 more zero. Number is neither going to increase and now going to decrease. The digit is same. So 9 plus 3, what will be like? 12 carry 1, right? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13 carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21 carry 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 point, what is your answer? 13.132. This is your answer. 13.132. It is clear? Any problem? Not understood? So you will read it 13.132. This is your first answer I have. Now question number. See this one question number I will do for first 30. What is there? So you are 2.132 kg. It is clear? 6.750 kg. It is clear? 8.915 6.250 kg and 1.25 kg. 1.256 kg. See this one, my dear student? Same thing. It is given in kg. So I am going to solve. This is your question. Now, how can you solve? How can you solve? Say. So now what you will do? First, it is given in column method. So try to write in. Sorry, it is given in horizontal method. Try to write in column method. So now you write 2.132 kg. It is clear? 6. kg is here unit of weight. Here kg. Right now away 2.132 kg. After that what is there? 6.7 kg. Here 8.915 kg. Okay, 6.250 kg. And what is there? 1.256 kg. Please, my dear students, how can we solve? Here these all are the unit of kg. So plus sign it. Plus sign. Any problem? Now kg unit, right? Now we add 5 plus 2, 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Carry 2. Carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 9 plus 2, 21 plus 2, 23. Carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24 plus 1, 25. Means your answer is 25 kg, 3.03 gram. 25.303 kg. This is your answer. It is clear? It is clear? So this is simple addition. You have studied in standard 4 also, in 5 also, so 7th also you are going to study. The 2 questions I have solved, the rest you can solve. Now the second question is there. Now second, what is the question? Find the values of following. Find the value of the following. First is there. First 65.83 minus 9.423. My dear student, it is given column method and both is unlike. So first to change into unlike, first to do, it is given in horizontal method, change into column method. 6.5, 8 and 3. It is clear? And 9.4, 2 and 3. My dear student, minus sign is there. So minus. See this one, both is not like that. After decimal, here 2 digits. After decimal, here 3 digits. So what you will put? 1 0 you put here, it became like that. Now you can subtract 10 minus 3, 7. 10 minus 3, 7. Right? It became 2. 1 already taken common. Taken, carry from here to 10 place value again. 10 minus 3, 7, 2 minus 2, 0. Now it is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, what you will write? 4. Now it is 5, it is less. So 1 you take carry, it become 5. 1 you are taking, it become 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 9, what you will write? 6. And now what is this one? 6, 5 there. 56.407. It is clear? Understood? This is your answer. Any problem? Similarly, you can solve. Similarly, one more I am going to solve. clear? Rupees 37.25. 37.25 minus rupees 17.50 plus rupees 43.90 minus rupees 10.6. My dear student, what is this question? Very simple. You can say this one here. Write this one horizontal. 37.25. Okay, rupees and minus 17.5. It is clear. Plus this line rupees 43.90 minus 10.6. Please, it is also rupees. Here minus is there. Here also minus. But it will do 5 minus 0. 5. 12. 12 minus 5. What is that? 7. So it becomes 6. And 16 minus 7. 9. And it is cancelled. So rupees 9.75. What is that? Rupees 9.75. Now here is 5. 10 minus 5. 5. 10 minus 5. 5. And it is 9. 8 become 8. One taken by now. 8 minus 6. 2 is there. Okay. 3 minus 0. 3. And 4 minus 1. 3. Rupees 33.25. Now what is there? Balance. So now rupees 9.75 and 33 rupees 33.25. So now what is there? 5 plus 5 0 carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10 carry 1. 9 plus 1 10 plus 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13 carry 1 means rupees 43. Your answer 43 rupees is your answer. It is clear. Now I have solved what is there? 16. Here already 19 will come. What it will come? It is 2. 2 minus 1. So 19 once more I tell you 37 19.75. When 19.75 will come here, so it will become once more at 5 plus 5 10 carry 1. 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10 carry 1. 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13 carry 1 and 1 plus 1 2. So 53. Your answer is 53. Rupees 53. This is your answer. Understood? It is clear? Now this type of question is there. First you subtract and then you subtract. What is the result is coming? Right, both the number. So here 19.75 is there and 33.25 you will add answer will come. It is clear? Understood? Now if you have any problem, please ask. Otherwise the rest you solve yourself. Thank you.